$300,000 for a haircut? And this come out of the mouth of Warren Buffett? Well, today I tell you whether that really happened and did Warren Buffett really pay $300,000 for a haircut. Hello everyone, I'm Ethan Rooshock, and on today's episode I'm going to be talking to you about Warren Buffett and the $300,000 haircut. So whether this actually happened, but it's been rumoured that Warren Buffett has been heard saying to himself before, do I really want to pay $300,000 for a haircut? So today I'm going to unbox that, what did he mean by that, and did he really pay $300,000 for a haircut? Alright, haircuts are expensive, but Warren Buffett did not pay $300,000 for a haircut. Let me just kill that straight away. It's a matter of him talking about compound interest and what that haircut may be worth in 50 years' time. Now, whether he even made these comments, look, I'll never know, but it's a really interesting thing to unpack and explain to people how a small purchase now, if invested over 50 years, could be worth a lot of money in the future. So money invested historically over a long period of time grows. Now that doesn't matter if that's in a bank account or whether that's in shares or in property. Historically, over a long period of time, money has grown in value. So the longer period of time, the more the compounding effect works and the more that money grows to in the future. All right, so the first example is, would a haircut today be worth $300,000 in the future? And the simple answer is no. So let's do some quick calculations here. So we've got, say, a $30 haircut, and we're going to invest that over 50 years. We're going to use an interest rate of, say, 7%. I think this is a little bit conservative if you're investing in a really long period of time historically, but we'll use that. So as you can see, that results in a total here of about $983, so just under $1,000. So not quite the $300,000 Warren Buffett was talking about, but still nearly $1,000. So the way to think about this is, if you have a $30 purchase today, instead of buying it, if you were to invest that and you were to get that 7% return, in 50 years time when you go to retire, that could be worth $1,000. All right, so let's see how much we need to get $300,000. So say we had a $4,500 haircut and we invested it over 50 years again, but maybe we'll up the interest rate to 8.5% this time. And that leaves us with a balance of $310,000. So if you're paying $4,500 for a haircut, then you're going to get to $300,000 if you don't have that. But my thinking is, if you're paying $4,500 for a haircut, money probably isn't a problem to you, and you probably don't care because you probably have a lot more than $300,000 already now. So this just shows though, if you have $4,500 in savings and you haven't invested over a 50-year period, look at that compounding effect. You've only put $4,500 in, and that's grown to $300,000. So this just shows the longer period of time that you allow your money to compound, the greater the results you're going to have. So the quicker you can start saving and investing your money, the more long-term benefits you're going to have. All right, so clearly Warren Buffett has never spent $300,000 on a haircut, and what he's probably spent on a haircut, I'm highly doubting has ever grown to that kind of value. But it just shows you that compounding effect over a long period of time can be really beneficial. If you found any value to this video, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.